Hello everyone. Are you a course creator or a digital marketer, or are you a person looking to create your online courses? Then this video is absolutely for you, because in this video I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful world-class tool where you can host your online courses hassle freely without integrating 20 plus tools or depending on uh, so many tools, because I know how frustrating it is by depending on so many tools. By doing integration, it is a very frustrating thing. I can understand. So are you looking for a free or a cheap alternative for Kajabi Teachable and course creating softwares that are existing in the market? Or are you frustrated with 20 plus tools integrated to a WordPress website and making you confused because you are wasting lot of money on them? Because you can do all these things without wasting lot of money and without compromising on the quality and features that these all tools are providing. And introducing you to a new software, I can call it as a tool, that is new Zenler. New Zenler is a new way. It is an all-in-one course creation platform where you can do all the things in a one place by saving lot of money without hassling with lot of tools. You can cancel all the other tools because you don't need any other integrations. You don't need 20 plus tools. You don't need 20 plus subscriptions to run your online courses. And let's see what are the features that New Zenler is providing now. So New Zenler In New Zenler, you can post your online courses. You can do marketing. You can create marketing funnels for lead capturing, for selling your online courses, and you can do powerful automation. You can run automated webinars, and you can do automated sales, and you can make your courses more engaging by using quizzes and surveys. And you can also use membership sites, and you can create a community for your students, which makes your course more powerful, more engaging, and this increases course completion rate of your courses, and your students will be enjoying this a lot. And these are the only features that I'm showing, and internally there are a lot more features, and I will be listing them all in this video, so be till the last. So when we see deeply, New Zealand is providing very advanced tools that the market leaders are not providing. You can create your online courses in video format, audio format, PowerPoint, PDF. You can upload so many resources. You can upload the content in the whatever format you need. You can do drip in your courses, and you can replace teachable things we can Kajabi for it. And you can do marketing. You can create marketing funnels. You can create lead magnet funnel or video series funnel for your courses. And you can do powerful email automation. And the great thing about New Zenler is it New Zenler has very good open rate. Personal experience, I can say that New Zenler open rate is very good than all other tools. And it has a very powerful page designer. You can create wonderful and beautiful pages, and you can create your own website also. You will also get a 3 custom domains, and I will be listing them in this video at the last. And you can create community for the students where your students can interact with each other, and this increases completion rate and student engagement also. And and not only that, this also makes your upselling more easier, because community is a very important thing. Community learning has become one of the most important thing nowadays. And the one of the most favorite feature that I like in New Zenler is you can host your live classes, live interactive webinars, and live streams. You don't need Zoom subscription or click or what I say webinar jump subscription for doing webinars. You can host webinars up to 300 or 500 participants with 49 on-screen videos built-in chat, screen sharing, security, whiteboard recording, virtual background, sharing files, breakout rooms, and lot more. You don't need to waste your money on any other tools. I know you are liking this a lot. I know what is your next question. That is, what is the pricing? Yeah, I'm coming to that. You can take New Zealand in two prices, that is yearly plan and monthly plan. So let's see what is yearly plan. It has a two plans for yearly plan, that is pro plan and premium plan. As a beginner, pro plan is the best suggestible plan. And when we see the features in the pro plan, you don't have any transaction fees. You can host unlimited courses and unlimited students. You can have up to 25,000 leads, 1 lakh monthly emails. You can send up to 1 lakh emails, and which is a very, very satisfying thing. And you can create up to 100 marketing funnels, 3 sites, and you can also host live classes using Zoom, live interactive webinars, and you can also do live streams into your Facebook and YouTube. You don't need another tool for doing live streams. You don't need to invest on them. You can create 10 site admins. You can have 10 site admins, 20 instructors, 10 assistants, 10 support team, and 3 custom domains, coupons advanced. And you can also have blog assessment assignments, advanced quiz and service. You can have priority support, import and export users, bulk enrollments, drip schedule, and automations also. You can do very powerful automation in the New Zenler. And you also have 30 days money back guarantee in New Zenler, which is a very great thing. And it has so many features. And if you want to compare New Zenler features with the market leaders, here is the comparison for you. See, here is the New Zenler, here is Thinkific, here is the Teachable, and here is the Kajabi. And you can easily see that New Zenler is providing lot more features at half of the price of market leaders. See, it with New Zenler you can host live stream, live classes, live interactive webinars, which you cannot do with Kajabi. And you can also create blogs and page builders, which you cannot do in Teachable. You can have unlimited courses, but in Kajabi you can only have 15 courses. And you can create assignments. You can upload many type of media types. You can do bulk upload, integrations, quizzes, service, and email automations also. And you have advanced pricing options. You can give paid trial, free trial, tires, setup fee, upsells, bumps, and you can also have affiliate for your courses. You can have multiple sites, up to 3 sites for Zenler, but market leaders are only providing one site. You can do course migration. You can give communities and discussion forums, free trial. Students can you can have unlimited students, and the transaction fee is 0%. You can give a certificate. And when you see the support, the New Zealand support is a 5-star rating support. It has a very great support. And presently New Zealand doesn't have any app. And I'm predicting the New Zenler would get its own app for its course creators and for its students in a coming 6 months to 1 year. I'm predicting it. I don't know rightly. And you can do email domain authentication and lot more features. You also have ready-made, pre-made templates for your landing pages. Also, what more you need? This is the greatest thing that we can get with the New Zenler. And New Zenler is having adding so many new features to its uh, pro plan takers. So don't step back. See, when you compare the prices of all the market leaders, New Zenler price is half of the price of the market leaders, and it is giving a lot more features. And why it is giving at this price? Because New Zenler is running in beta version, so it is only accepting invite only part course creators. So you can only get into it by you through invite link only. And I have given the invite link in my description of this video. And you don't need to worry to learn how to use New Zenler, because New Zenler is very easy to use. And New Zenler itself is teaching everything from scratch in its own YouTube channel. I have given a basic playlist where New Zenler is teaching how to get started with a new Zenler, and how to create courses, how to sell them, how to create marketing funnels, etc., etc. And I have given the playlist of it in the description of my video. And New Zenler has its own official YouTube channel. You just need to search New Zenler and New Zenler, and in its own YouTube channel, you have so many tutorials about each and every topic. Every topic is covered in its New Zenler YouTube channel. You don't need to go anywhere. And after this much support, also, if you get any doubt, New Zenler has its own support page, that is support.newzenler.com/en. And if you see in the FAQ session, it has covered so many topics which normal course creators face. You have so many questions related to, if you have so many questions related to courses, page designing, marketing, emails, site, Zapier integration, etc. All the queries are solved, and even some advanced queries are also solved, like how to do third party resources integration, and how to do Zapier integration, how to do WordPress integration, and so many other things are covered in this. Uh, in one word, everything is covered through New Zenler. It has an amazing support. That's the reason it has got 5-star rating for its support. And the price it is providing is insanely less. And it is the best time to go for New Zenler, because we cannot predict when New Zenler will remove its beta version offer. And not only that, it is adding so many new features in the coming days, and it's the best time to go with New Zenler. So if you want to start with New Zenler, then just go to description. I have given the sign up link there. Just sign up with the New Zenler and explore the tools that New Zenler is providing, and start using yearly or monthly plan of New Zenler. Then watch the tutorials from New Zenler YouTube channel or the playlist that I'm providing, and complete the setup. After that, start selling your online courses, which is a dream thing for everyone. That's the reason we have taken the New Zenler subscription. It makes no sense if we don't start selling our courses. Yeah. So don't wait, because we cannot predict when New Zenler beta offer may vanish. And after vanishing, we have to regret for lifetime, because this is, oh, once offer for lifetime. You won't get this offer for after few months. But the good thing about this beta price is, once you get beta price subscription, you will get renewal for same price, beta price, for lifetime. So this is a great thing. For example, if you get into New Zenler with a pro plan using 677 $647 per month subscription, then when you do renewal after 1 year, you will do renewal for the same price, even though the price of the new Zenler has increased, but you will have the price for $647 only. This is the greatest thing that new Zenler is providing to us. So stop waiting, stop thinking, go ahead. You have everything in your hands. Go click the link below, sign up, start creating courses, get the subscription, and become a pro course creator. Wishing you all the best. And if you have any queries, you can type it in the chat section. I would be helping you. I would be trying my level best to help you. So that's it in this video. Bye bye, and see you as a successful course creator.